Hey guys, this is Rahul and welcome to GoMahamaya.com, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can clock your affiliate link using Thirsty Affiliate free version plugin. Before I start this tutorial, we should know the real truth behind clocking the link. Number one, we are using it for pretty link. Number two, we does not want Google to follow affiliate link. If you're using so many affiliate link inside a website, you'll be affecting your SEO. So from SEO point of view, this is very important for your website. For this, log into dashboard now. And now, once you're logging into dashboard, you need to hover a plugin, click on add new, and in the search bar, you need to type Thirsty Affiliate. And you'll get first option, Thirsty Affiliate Link Manager. Click on install, click on activate, and once the plugin get activated, you need to scroll down till the last and you'll find Thirsty Affiliate setting. You have to click on that, or you'll find Thirsty Affiliate in this area. And now click here, don't show now, and we are on the setting part. Cancel this. And now inside the general option, you'll find default link type. Let it to be the link type, and don't choose shortcut one. And next option is disable uncategorized category on save. Don't select this button. The reason is that if you'll go to this option, like where you can add new affiliate link, there you'll find uncategorized option. If you are not adding any category to this particular link, in that case it will save as uncategorized. If you'll disable that, it will be like normally unsaved, for like there will not be any category. Why the category is important? If you'll go to this, like I have generated one link here just of like already demo purpose is generated, and here you'll find category option. If you'll filter by category, like I want to filter the category from coupons from XYZ category, coupons from XYZ category, in that case this is going to help you. So it's better you should not choose any of these options. For this one also, I'll show you what is the use of disable button on the visual wall. This button is going to be there inside this option, like you'll find affiliate link button on the visual bar. So these are the area settings you should not select. And here inside, and trim stat older than 1 month. To be frank, keeping stats more than 1 month will slow down your database, because the more query are there in the database, more slower it responds. That's why I use WP Optimize plugin for optimizing my database. I've already created that tutorial that you'll find in the description box. You can use it for optimizing your database. So it's better either you go for 1 month or you go for 0. And you select this one, don't cache 301 redirect, because if they cache the 301 redirect, that means if you change the link, it will be like cached inside the browser. So if you made the changes here, that will not get changed in your visitor browser once they open that link. If that link is broken, that will be broken in that browser. That's why you choose don't cache 301 redirect. Click on save change. And now click on link appearance, and inside the link prefix you have to choose go. The more shorter it will be, the more better it will be. So I prefer go. And now it will be like example, your domain name /go/ your affiliate name, whatever the link clocking you're doing at the end. And don't select any link category inside your affiliate link, leave it like that, and select link redirect type 301. 301 is a permanent redirect. I believe 301 redirect is the best redirect. Now scroll down. Use no follow. Yes, don't follow my affiliate link. What is no follow? The Google is not going to index that particular link in the Google search engine. So that affiliate link should not get follow link. And inside the open link in the new browser, you have to select yes. Open link in the new browser. Now scroll down, and here you have to select no. In case of pass query strings to destination URL, is like you are clocking the link, and the visitor browser, when he click the link, he'll be like getting redirected. He can see the links. If you choose no, you are like safe. Now scroll down, and this is like when you want to allow extra tags inside the link. So this is not required as of now, and these two options are also not required for you as of now. I'm choosing almost the important part which is necessary for you to set up Thirsty link. You may need it while writing the codes. So I'll click on save changes, and now click on modules, And inside the modules, you don't need to select anything. All the preset value are quite good, and I don't think so it's necessary for me to make you understand all these three options because it's quite simple and easy. I'll click on save change and I'll click on import and export. If you have 2 or 3 websites, you don't need to set up all the settings again and again. You just need to copy this global, Control A, Control C, and it's like you paste in the third website, second website, wherever you have, just click import setting and all the settings will be imported. After setting up your complete Thirsty affiliate setting, you just copy this and save in your notepad file or somewhere in the email so that later on also you can get the same setting. Now nothing else is there inside a Thirsty affiliate setting. Now we'll learn how to create a new affiliate link. I'll click on this and I'm inside a new affiliate link creation, and whatever the title you're adding here will be after go. For example, this is like after link locking, your affiliate link will look like this. So you have to make it beautiful. Whatever website is there, and after that go will be coming, and whatever the title you are writing here, that will be coming in the last. So we'll create an affiliate link for Thirsty affiliate itself. So I'll go to my website and here you have to write the title. So I'm going to write a title and I'm going to create it for Thirsty affiliate itself. So I'll write the title Thirsty affiliate and destination URL will be Thirsty affiliate URL. So I have copied the Thirsty affiliate URL and I'll paste here, like whatever the affiliate URL you have, just paste it. You have options to create a category. You click on the category and you choose the category as like I've already shown you the use of category. Here I'm going to write plugins. This is a plugin category, so I'll click on write plugins and click on add new category and make sure you're selecting that. And now scroll down. Here you have already set the link option, no follow link, global. Open the link in the new window, pass query string to destination URL. No, this is the redirect type 301 permanent redirect. And now move up and now click on save change, and finally you'll find that a clogged link. Whatever your website is there, then go, then whatever the title you have gave in this area, you just need to copy this particular option, and you can even edit the slug if you want. You click on edit and edit the last part again if you want, but I does not want it, so I'll click on save change. And now I'll go to post, or in post you can go and click on add new, and here again you write in the visual one Thirsty affiliate, and then select this and click on link and then paste the following link, open in a new tab and click on add new link. Right, we have added affiliate link Thirsty affiliate. Now we'll click on publish and we'll have a preview of our website. I'll open a new tab and here you can see a Thirsty affiliate, but in the corner of my website you can see like demo.gomahamaya.com/Thirsty affiliate, but this is like not an affiliate link. A normal guy cannot recognize that it's an affiliate link. So once I click on that, I'm getting redirected to Thirsty affiliate websites. And now we'll go back to our website, and there inside our website, if you hover Thirsty affiliate, you'll find setting. You click on that, and inside Thirsty affiliate, if you scroll down, you'll find report option, and there you'll find I just click now once, so I'm getting one click here. Similarly, like you can get the report of whatever the link are getting clicked. These metrics are very important for your website campaigning. You can check out how many clicks you got on that particular campaign. And to be frank, Thirsty Affiliate Pro we are using inside our website. The reason is that the pro version have more facilities than the free version, and we are using a lot of affiliate link, so that saves our reputation from a beginners. If you haven't purchased the Thirsty affiliate, there's a link in the description box. Go ahead, make the purchase, and do let me know how you feel about that Thirsty Affiliate Pro in the comment box. I hope you find this video useful. If you haven't clicked subscribe, click on subscribe button for the more further updates. Thank you.